About this item: extra long cable, 100% brand new and high quality 5 feet cable, replaces your old / defective charging cable. Great for charging anywhere you want, indoor or outdoor. Extensive compatibility, compatible with Sony Cybershot, DSC-W800, DSC-W800, DSC-W370, DSC-W630, DSC-W650, DSC-W670, DSC-W690, DSC-W710, DSC-W800, DSC-W830, DSC-H200, DSC-H300, DSC-W370, DSC-W800, DSC-W830, DSC-W180, DSC-S950, S980, S750, S780, S650, S700, S730, S780, S800, S930, S2000, S2100, A100, A200, A300, A350, A450, A700, A850, A900, DSC-W310, W320, DSC-W530, etc. This is not compatible with all Sony cameras. Before purchasing, please check the compatibility list below. Multifunctional 2-in-1 data sync charging cable, not only stable charging, but also stable data transmission. You also could use it for anywhere. Such as connect with your PC/laptop by USB port, more convenience, easy to use. This cable support USB 1.1 and 2.0 and maximum data transfer speeds. This cable connects your digital camera to USB ready computer, USB hub, or photo printer/dock for pictures transferring 100% satisfaction. If you have any problems, welcome to contact us and we will try our best to solve your problem. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: extra long cable, 100% brand new and high quality 5 feet cable, replaces your old / defective charging cable. Great for charging anywhere you want, indoor or outdoor. Extensive compatibility, compatible with Sony Cybershot, DSC-H200, DSC-H300, DSC-W370, DSC-W630, DSC-W650,